Hello and welcome. If you have a HP LaserJet Enterprise M507 and it is stuck in this screen right here where it's counting up, I'm going to show you how to fix it, so stand by. I'll be right back. Okay, first thing what I want you to do while it's stuck like this, reach behind your printer and just go ahead and unplug it. Unplug the power. Once the power is unplugged and your LCD screen is blank, press and hold the power button. Now hold the power button in for 90 seconds. Now I'm not going to wait and keep this video going for 90 seconds, so after 90 seconds I'm going to come right back. But make sure you keep this power button depressed for 90 seconds before you let go. Okay, I just released the power button. I put the power back in it and it's going to count up again. And boom, problem fixed. Again, this is a LaserJet HP Enterprise M507. These things are notorious for this kind of issue. This will fix your problem, so don't go out and buy another printer. Don't do any firmware updates. Just do exactly like I said in the video. It'll take care of it. Again, I ask you to please subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell to get notifications when I upload new videos. This will help me tremendously. I've been doing this kind of stuff for a very long time. I know a lot of quick shortcuts just like this. So if you need some assistance, just drop the comments below and I'll help you out if I can. Thanks.